Hey everyone. So in this video today we are talk about that how to generate SQL queries using ChatGPT with the end-to-end solution with the dummy data actually, because we already know there is multiple things comes up with the AI with generating that SQL query, but it's taking a costing actually. But ChatGPT provide us a free of cost because there is a 40 billion parameters they are tweaked, and for the research purpose and development purpose they are currently given as a open source, right? So in that we can so in that I need to generate bank related database with end to end thing actually. So in that bank related database level, so I need to create customer table and accounts table, needs to set the foreign key, primary key, blah blah blah, all those things I need to generate, right? So in that I'm going to open that chat gpt. So here is the chat gpt window. So in that I can just simply type. So I need to create a bank database, includes all tables and relations with the dummy data. So I'm going to enter it, and let's see for the output. So here's the thing, it's generating now. So in that you can see that customer table, accounts table, and a transaction and a loans, payments, all those things there actually. So in that it currently given us a theoretical database. So what are the needs we need to do, like a customer. So in that customer id, first name, last name, address, phone related with that, and account related things, and a transaction, beneficiaries, and loans, payments. So these are the tables needed, and in that tables what are the relationship, and what are the various programming languages we can include that. So in that I'm going to put, I can just simply provide in SQL like that. So if I enter that, you can see that result actually. So it will be very mind blowing on that actually. Yeah, now it's generating. So in the generating, as you can see that create tables for customer table creation, and accounts table creation, and transaction, beneficiaries, and loans, payments. So all the things there. And so in that it will be setting that foreign key, and so based on that foreign key customer id, with that customer id with the customer id. So these are already setting that primary key and the foreign key details. And so I need to put some dummy data. So I can just enter and insert some dummy data, that all the table in SQL. So I can just enter it, and let's see. So now it's generating. So in that it will be inserting with some dummy data. So you can see that instead into customers, customer level, it will be adding the two more customers, and accounts related, account number, and customer id, account type, transaction, beneficiaries, loans, and the payments. So all those things it's related. And so it's very mind blowing, right? So it will be saving lot times actually from our side, because in previously what we do, so we need to maintain the architecture, and we can based on that we need to create a table, and inserting with the dummy data, and testing on that. So these are things we need to do. But in that within the minute you will get all those things at the single area actually. So this is what AI will be done. So what you need to do is, so you need to understand that AI, and after that you need to collaborate with AI, and you can just simplify your work, and you can very well to approach your achievements actually. So these are the things I need to share with you. And if you really like that video, keep subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, Please hit the like button and consider to subscribe our channel for more videos like this in the future. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and colleagues who might find it useful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below and we'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.